All right, and we're back. Day 2 doing the oil pan job. So I'm just going to continue to get the gasket material off here. I need to punch this out, and then I also need to plug this hole here, which was the old oil oil dipstick plug. Jeez. Alright, we got the new oil plug for the dipstick in. We got the plug in where the old dipstick was. Now we just got a
new oil pickup.
New oil pickup. Now we just gotta clean this surface and install the oil pan. We got the real deal stuff in our kit from Off-Road Solutions. So this is all OEM Toyota parts, down to we're even using seal packing, not even a pre-made gasket. We're gonna just put it on. I'm excited though. Oh, what? Dude, what? Okay, I didn't know what this was. I know what it is. If I can get it on there. It's a roller. Oh, I can't do it. A little bit on this side. There we go. It's a roller, guys. That's so cool. of the swap that I have to do is this is the 3.0 factory air compressor, and AC compressor, and I am gonna keep my factory AC, so you have to switch the top plate, which is held on by these 4 Allens, 1, 2, 3 back there, and 4, to the 3/4 compressor, the same mounting pattern. So it should be pretty straightforward, and I did buy a gasket kit for this job because it obviously needs one of those as well, which is right here. And yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Here's what the engine currently looks like. We got the heads back on. We got the bottommost intake manifold back on with all new injectors and new gaskets. Got the new banjo fitting on the back of the fuel rail for the new fuel supply line that's going to go on there. All new hoses, new fuel return line right off of the regulator now, so I deleted like a couple of lines that go that way and then bolt to the valve cover. So yeah, we're making progress. Feeling good. Pumped to get this engine in my truck. All right, so here's the finished product. 3/4 compressor with the 3.0 top plate on it. This is the 3/4 top plate. So the biggest difference is the mounting angle that the lines go to, because you use your factory 3.0 lines, and this is like a straight 90-degree mount up. That's offset, like you can see. So yeah, pumped. Another thing off the list. All right, I'm gonna spray paint some parts, and I'm doing it on the hood of the 4Runner because it's a good table. And this thing's going to pick and pull, and the whole front end's fucked up, so I don't really care. All right, I'm gonna hit him with that engine primer. I'm also going to spray paint this AC compressor bracket. All right, now I'm just going to hit them with this basic black. Brady is working on getting the exhaust pulled off of, the rest of the exhaust pulled off of both of my truck and the donor 4Runner. That's where we're at today. Here's the current state of the engine. I'm gonna put the wiring harness back on, do the timing belt kit, and put the intake manifolds back on. Exhaust off of the 4Runner that we're going to use, and then he fully got the exhaust off of this one too. So we have all that out of the way. I'm working on assembling the motor and doing the timing belt today. So I've been assembling the top end. I got the wiring harness back on. I got the intake manifold almost completely back on. Spark plugs, ignition coils, all that good stuff. Gonna put the exhaust back on, but first I'm gonna finish doing the timing. Heck yeah, we're coming together. Alright, we got the smog equipment tray all mounted up today and done. If you notice the zip ties, mine, it's because one of these brackets is broken on mine, and I'm not gonna get a whole new one just for that because they're expensive, but it's working just fine like that. I also ended up having to space mine a little bit, but it worked out great. It's in position. Everything's coming together slowly. Here is the engine. It's almost completely back together. It's a part still awaiting a timing belt kit because I'm having a hard time getting the harmonic balancer off. But we're working on it. Need to get the exhaust back on, the AC components and everything back on, but everything else able to put on essentially without disturbing timing belt stuff I put on today. So we're getting closer.